Okay, good evening folks. This is JP. It's my first video for 2021 and my project for today is changing my handlebar and this stem to a modern one using stem adapter, since this is a 1-inch threaded fork. Okay, I'm gonna use this. This is my extra mountain bike handlebar. It's aluminum, and an extra modern stem, threadless. And I have two adapters, stem adapters, that I bought from Amazon. One is Origin 8 threadless quill adapter, and the other one is a profile design stem adapter. Both are 22.2 millimeters, just like my old stem over there. And I have some spacers just in case I need to lift the stem, and I might want to change the stem cap to this GT stem cap, since my old bike is a 1993 GT Outpost that I converted to a single speed. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so first things first, we have to take off the grips. This is a lock-on grip, so it's easy to remove. My bar end cap, remove that using a screwdriver. Just use a screwdriver to wedge this and remove it. Then next is remove this brake lever, same as this side. Remove the grips, then the stem cap, the bar end caps, then the grips, then the brake levers. Alright, so I was able to remove the bar end cap. All I have to do is pull this out, this, that, so we need that here. Slide this out. Oops, there's this cable lock retainer thing, retainer clip, and that, and it's kind of hard to slide this out. Alright, that's it. Alright, there you go. And the other end, and that, just twisty. There you go. Side, and just slide this out. So I already loosened the screws here, so I have to slide it out like that. Okay, so next thing is I'm going to remove the whole stem with a handlebar and replace it with the adapter and the new handlebar. Alright, so it's just, I'm gonna loosen this screw and just pull out the stem with the handlebar. Okay, I'm gonna use a 6mm hex wrench and loosen this like that. It's really easy. Yeah. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Okay. Once you've done that, you just have to, pull this out. Like that. Easy peasy. It's the whole stem. One thing I love about the threaded forks is when you pull out the stem, the fork doesn't fall out because it's locked by this lock ring or something, a screw. Right, so I'm trying to figure out if I can use this profile design or origin 8 stem. It's black on black, but I'm using non-painted aluminum seat post, so probably I'll go with the profile design stem adapter. Right. Okay. Sticker, stem cap, adapter, the cover. Get some of the cover here. One sec. Okay, so I was able to remove the plastic cover. So this is the whole thing. Says here 22.2 mil. It should fit inside this, hopefully. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So before I do that, we need to put some grease here so it won't get stuck over time, because you're sticking this inside a steel steer tube, and steel and aluminum, when oxidized, it sticks together like glue. So you need to put some thin film of grease here. Okay, put some thin film of grease all around the stem adapter, and I'm gonna put 2 spacers here. There you go. I have 22.2 mil spacers here with me. Here, I can use. Okay. Oops. Alright, so the spacers are in. So next thing that I'll do is put the stem here before I install this on the bike. There's my stem. Yeah, it's easier. Yeah, it's easier that way when you put the stem on the adapter, so it saves time. Okay, so I was able to install the threadless stem on the adapter, and it's ready to go. So all I have to do is insert this in the bike like so. Okay, it's hard. Okay, yeah, there you go. There you go. See? It's nice. It's kind of dark. I'm outside. Okay. I think it's nicer if I slam it to the end, removing these spacers. Okay, let's do that. Whoop. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Oop. Okay, so I was able to install this. I put one spacer over here because when I removed the spacers, it just bottomed out, and I had this half-inch spacer over here. So half-inch space gap. Just put a spacer there. So I just tighten this, and this one, tighten this. Okay, so it's already aligned. So all I have to do is install the handlebar, brake levers, grips, and bar ends. Alright. Okay, so I was able to install everything: handlebar, bar end caps, grips, brakes, and came out good. There you go. A modern cockpit on a vintage mountain bike. Okay, bar width is 700 mil. There you go. Modern bike. Looks like a modern bike. Alright. Nice one. Okay, so I'll make another video of anything or everything you can think of. See ya.